Hi, all. It's Samantha from P2M, the Positive Perspective Mindset. And I'm here to hopefully get the multi streaming up and running to be able to connect with all of you soon, starting next week for virtual coffee chats. But all drinks are welcome. And since I'm here, I want to take the opportunity to remind you to self care and to take care of your wants and needs. Know your signs. We often really focus on our physical tiredness traits and we really forget the signs that when we're feeling mentally overloaded or overwhelmed. So, really take the time to understand yourself, to understand your signs, to be able to recharge properly and to take more breaks. Because the more you take care of you, the more active and fulfilled you'll feel. You'll be able to recharge faster. You'll be able to understand really the signs to avoid burnout down the line and really focusing on you and your goals in the future. So that's it for now. I just wanted to come here to say hi. Stay tuned for more information and more details to hopefully start the live streams next week. And I'll see you soon. Have a great day.